Hello, online bosses. Hope you all are good. Hope you're having a blessed day. You had a good day yesterday on the public holiday. That's for my South Africans. And yeah, that this week is treating you super well. Ooh, I love the lighting right now. I'm in the living room. I've been working from my bedroom today, being busy. If you don't know, I'm putting together a coaching program for online businesses and how to start, how to put your offers, how to market, and all that good stuff. Now, I need to talk about this. I'm actually here to talk about how to market in Facebook groups. We all know that a great deal of clients, of ideal clients, are in Facebook groups, and that joining as many good Facebook groups is going to help us get clients. But I have noticed, not only in this particular group, but also in other groups as well, that a lot of people don't know how to market on Facebook groups. So I'm here to give you the tea. Now, how do you market on a Facebook group? Yes, the usual way of coming by, drop my link, and leave, boy, bye can work sometime, but not all the time. So the one thing you want to do, this is not going to be a long video. You know, I'm not a fan of rambling, so I keep it short and sweet, keep it simple, baby. The one way you should be marketing is by bringing value. Let me give you an example. A few weeks ago, I was in one of these groups. This is mostly for course creators and coaches. And I made a post about a launch strategy that I feel like people should do. And what happened with that post, I got a few leads and I also got a client because when I made that post, I showcased my expertise as a launch strategist, as a marketing strategist, by telling them that, listen here, yes, everybody's telling you to do ABC, but this is not the way you should do it. You should rather do it this way. And a lot of people appreciated that because they didn't know how to go about it and it caught the attention of the right people. So this is how you should actually be marketing yourself. You should be bringing values. If you are a virtual assistant, for example, go in groups, make a few posts. It doesn't have to be different posts for different groups. You can actually just make one post and post it across the board. You ain't gonna get caught. So you do that, and let's say you're giving people tips on how to organize their day or how to organize tasks or how to easily schedule posts on Instagram, for example. I'm just pulling it off of the top of my head. And somebody sees it, and the person has been struggling with being consistent on Instagram. What is that person going to do? They're going to reach out in your messages, and then you guys can have a chat, and you invite the person to have a strategy call, and then you pitch your service. You go in there, you pitch yourself well, and you land a client. That's how you're supposed to do. If you are doing branding, give people tips on branding. Go in group, look at questions people are asking and answer those questions. Go in groups, look at opportunities to speak. In a lot of groups, people are always looking for people to come speak in the groups, to get on a podcast, to get on an interview on YouTube. Do that. Because by doing that, you are borrowing somebody else's audience and getting yourself into an audience that you probably wouldn't have had access to. So I'm going to ask my online bosses on here. And I feel you. I see what y'all doing. I see your hustle. But you need to retweak your organic marketing strategy a little bit and see how that's gonna work. Because I guarantee you it works a lot better if you have a value first type of approach. Because people appreciate value. I mean, recently I made a post on Instagram, and I had somebody comment, "Oh, I love," because I think I was giving tips on making money online on my Instagram. And it was a real, just a funny reel. And the lady commented that I'm always reading your email. You're such a leader. I love how much you share. If you're not on my email list, you wouldn't know. But on my email list, I do share tips. I share a couple of things that you could do. I send a ton of value and also a few year and day references to things that you could implement to save yourself time or whatever. So I have a value first. I've always preferred value first kind of marketing because it works better in the long run. And this is not only on my online business, but also in my relocations business, in my brokering business, any of my businesses. I market the way I like to be marketed to. Provide me with information. Show me that you care. Show me that you can make a difference to my life, and I'm probably going to buy. So, how about we all start implementing the strategy? Because the one thing I'm going to tell you, the whole going into groups, dropping your link, and then disappearing, not interacting, not doing anything, doesn't do you any justice. People buy from people they trust, people they like, and people they know. And in that sense, if you're not actually doing that, not trying to engage with people online, on in these groups, in these forums, you're not gonna get clients. And I'm not only talking about Facebook groups, this could be your LinkedIn groups. Because if you're a service provider, let's say a virtual assistant, trust me, you have clients in LinkedIn, you have clients on Quora, you have clients on Reddit. Go into those forums, answer questions that are related to your field, and leave a link for people to get hold of you. Like, okay, if you want more information on this and that, you are more than welcome to drop me an email. You're more than welcome to drop me a message, and I'll attend to you. And that's how you land clients. I hope this is something that we all going to be implementing, because this has worked for me for the past how many years. It has always worked for me. I offer free consultations, and the consultations for my relocations business are usually around 1,000, but I waive it and I give you a ton of valuable information in those consultations that most times I close deals that well over 15, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 rand by just giving free value first, by just showing the person I care and I want to help. And these are the options how I could help you, and giving you a ton of information that even if you didn't work with me today, you can go straight out and start implementing it and see change. So this is how you market. You go in forums, answer questions, check, go through. You have time. Give yourself an hour a day. If you are an online business entrepreneur, give yourself an hour, 30 minutes a day. Go in those groups, check the questions, check where people need help. Sometimes, most time, people will post in these groups that, oh, I need a virtual assistant that could assist me with ABCD. And you can actually pitch yourself and straight out go into the DMs and do what you need to do. The thing of going into group, just dropping your links, that doesn't work. Going on only showing up on promo threads, that doesn't work. And if you want to start, I have a thread on Sundays, pitch my business, where you can actually even come on live in the group and pitch your business. Tell us how you can help us. Tell us how working with you, your value proposition, working with you is going to help me, help anybody. And that's usually because we see your face, we see you talk. That helps develop the know, trust, and lack factor that is going to help you close clients, because people buy from people they like, know, and trust. And unless I get to know you, I won't buy from you. And that's usually across the board everywhere. So that's very important, especially in the online space. And I hope this is something you're going to implement. Okay, let me not take too much of your time. I need to head back to work. I hope this helps you guys. And I'll see you guys on Saturday. I have another live coming up. Let me know what you would like me to talk about. But like I said, we are talking branding this week. I'll be dropping a post on branding later in the day, and we'll take it from there. See you guys. Thank you for whoever showed up. I see you still watching. Thanks, and I appreciate you.